Hello everybody, Only Hands here, and today we have Astonishing Volt Tackle box, the Japanese version. Ooh. That Shed Ninja. Ooh. And we got the what? Ninkada. Okay, our trainer card. No fucking way, Alakazam! Yes! He's my favorite! He's my favorite! Oh my god, yes! I have no idea what happened to my light. This is Choodle. Yeah, Choodle. Oh, my lights are weird. And Tailo. We got Tailo. Okay. Oh, wow! Leon! Holy shit, Leon, you're beautiful. Holy crap. He's beautiful. Milcery. And Poor. And Sandile. Graplocked. We have Trainer card. Trubbish. And Swellow. And oh, Charmander. We have the Galarian. Is that Meowth? We got VMAX Pikachu! We got a VMAX Pikachu! Nice! Okay. Cottony, then Dynamo, Excadrill, Mudsdale. Ooh, look at that Snorlax, a shiny Snorlax. Drillbur. Oh, this is Ferroseed. Zebstrika. Okay. Dusclops. Ooh, look at that Machamp. Got a shiny Machamp. That art. Mudbray. All cards everywhere. And trainer card. Ooh, we got a nice Dusclops, a shiny one. Look at that. Crocodile. And Nuzleaf. We got Garbodor. We got a VMAX Aegislash, guys. I like that art. Graplock. Ooh. Talonflame. Ooh. Looks sick. Barracuda. Tailo. And Clobopus. Here we have. And. Ooh, we got a shiny Electro. We got Choodle and Galarian. Okay. Ooh. Charlie. Yeah. Ooh. Leon trainer card. Oh, look at that. Look at that little Chinchou. Got Zubat. Oh, look at that. Shiny Wailord. Nice. Shiny Wailord. Mighty Enna. And fucking Vaporeon. Oh, we got a Pikachu. Look at that. And Whisper. Trainer card. So fetch. Meg Cargo. Minkata. Oh, it's just a shiny. What about Charizard? I got shiny Charizard. Big Charizard. Got it. Tiny one. Rubbish, but not least.